That bad, buddy. Okay, today we're going to talk about Enhanced Facial Expressions HD by Zevo. Now, look, I haven't been on DAZ in quite some time, mate. So I don't know why. I got a block or something, mate. I got to get back into it. But okay, let's have a look at this and see if it's any good. So once you've installed it, whatever, uh, you'll get this little thingy. If you just type in select your character and type in what is it? You can see over here, F-E, and you should get like all of the controls, right? All right. So let's have a look at them. She's on HD, and I just want to see how good they are, what they do. Do they give us anything? Let me just check about this aspect because I do want to do a little bit of renders, mate. Hold on. Or aspect of love. And now we can have a look. We can have a look and see how these renders are looking. Like if they're any good. You know, what do I like about them? What don't I like about them? I mean, Seva usually does really good work. So Amazed is looking pretty good actually. That's quite nice. Amazed. Let's go through them and just see what kind of control we have over these. Brow down. Very cool. That is very cool, man. Let me try and change this lighting around a little bit, love. Hold on. Right, just so that we can see the character a bit better. And this is what I quite like about it. Look at the little details that you get. So they've gone out of the way. And this is something I really don't like about facial expressions in DAZ, is they don't add the wrinkles. And I'm getting all my wrinkles, which is lovely, man. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is why I like this. This is what makes it useful for me. A couple of these may need a little bit of adjustments, maybe, love, but you know, you don't have to go all the way with these kind of things. You can go a little bit back and forth. Cheek puff. Don't know what it is, mate. Okay. Okay. Pretty cool. If that's the kind of look that you wanted. It's cheeks suck. No, that one works well. Really, I mean, these are difficult shapes to get if you're getting them for yourself. So if you're into like kind of, you know, expression work, I'm all about the expressions. Here's one of the jaw tense. Okay. Yeah, not bad. I like these, and you can always use them in combination with each other. You know, that's the big one. Jaw, side. Ooh. Now these kind of shapes are extremely difficult to get, and look, the wrinkles, everything's there, and it's affecting just the jaw, which I like. So now you probably have like controls, and obviously, you know, you can go back and forth, go as much as you want to the left, you know, subtle. You can use these things very subtly, something like this as well, you know. It's awesome. That's the left. What is this now? Jaw left 2. Oh, okay, there's another one. Wow. Wow, and it really does push that. Something like that. Very cool, man. Now, these are very specific shapes, but they can be used in beautiful ways. And that's what I like about this, man. Kiss, let's see. Kiss me. Kiss me. Okay, a little bit of ZBrush softening down there, a little bit of work on this, but man, you got some good bases. Let's see here. You know, you don't have to use it all the way, that's the thing. And it works, man. It works really nicely. I'm sure it'll work a little bit differently on different characters as well. This is always based off the original character. So, you know, lips flare. You can flare them lips, love. And I'm using a Bligentoué character. I love a Bligentoué. But these are incredible. These are lovely, man, because I can already see how I would use them. You know, in different ways and stuff. Tightening the lips. Beautiful, man. Yeah. Yeah. Tighten too. Oh, no, this one I like a lot. That one I like a hell of a lot. This one is a difficult shape to get. That's very cool. And that is very cool. Look up. And let's see the wrinkles. The wrinkles are there. They're giving you the details. And this is what I expect from a pack like this. Mouth closed. The mouth is closed, but okay. Let's check out a couple, like just to make life a little quicker. Just let's have a look at these like this. Yeah, mouth open. Nervous. Wow, okay. That little lip bite is a difficult shape. So, there are a ton. Let me just, yeah, fine. Let me just drop the tone mapper down a bit, or up a bit. Something like 14, just so we can see the character a little better for now. Type in the EFE. And where the hell was I? Where's the hell? Nervous. So, I mean, there's a lot of shapes here. And they're actually pretty damn cool. Remember, you're not just applying a shape and done. These things can be used very subtly. Oh, that's nice. They got like that kind of chin. Look at that. They've got that kind of chin, whatever there. Wrinkles. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Tongue out. Okay. Very nice. Difficult shapes to get. Very cool. Now this looks like it's the entire face. So this looks like it's the mouth. This looks like it's the entire shape. Beautiful, beautiful love. Look at us, lovely. Wow, man. Wow. I actually want to see that one rendered. Just let have a look. Look at all those wrinkles. I mean, a crying face isn't a pretty face. It's not a pretty face. And this actually gets pretty close. I wouldn't say 100%, but I would say very close. Very close. Close those eyes a little more, whatever, but you know. But all of these shapes are just, I mean, I could use them in anything. And I wouldn't use them just bam. I would use them, they would give me incredible basis to start creating my own, but they've done all the groundwork for me. All of it, which is awesome. Look at Ari. Happy. Look how happy she is, Ari. Look at that. She's so happy. It's Friday, Ari. Look, it's Friday, Ari. Monday. Tuesday. Thursday. Good. Friday. Really nice. And then you get the afraid. Okay, so these are the lower fear. So these are all the lower shapes, and then these are all the upper shapes. Wow, wow, wow. That is pretty cool. So what are those top ones then? What is this? Mouth smile. Are these just like extras? Amazed. Huh. Interesting. I don't know what. I mean, we know what they are, but I suppose this is just a mixture of everything, right? So that's pretty damn cool, man. So here you can start like mixing, shaping. See that? Disgust. Don't want that. Ooh. And from there, you can start adjusting different ones, getting things that you want, mixing with other morph packs, and you can start creating some probably pretty cool things, man, which is very, very nice. Yeah, this is awesome. Another extremely good pack, and the big thing about this one, for me, personally, are the wrinkles for the HD. I'm so tired of morph packs giving us ridiculous shapes that make no sense, and no wrinkles. I mean, why are we going to Gen 9 and Gen 10 and Gen 11 and all this stuff when all the faces and everything looks the same? It's about the wrinkles now that we can do with this one, right? It's the wrinkles. Give us the wrinkles. And they've done a great job. Zevo's done a good job as usual. I've always liked their stuff. Him, her, whatever. I don't know who they are. But they always do good work. They always do good work. And they give you some nice things in this one. So, who's this for? honestly, if you're into expressions, if you're into close-up work and expressions, and you want to do a couple of good expressions, and this is where you focus on. So I'm very much into really close-up details and expressions. I like expressions. It's about the details for me. So that's where this pack, I think, comes in really handy, man. I think this is awesome. So, it's all about the wrinkles, these kind of beautiful marks and things. And that's what I look for. And I think that's who this pack is for. If you're going for some cool kind of close-up wrinkles and things, I think this pack is going to help you beautifully, Ari. Beautifully. And that's it. Um, I think it's an awesome pack. I think it's a cool pack to have in your library, especially if you are, once again, man, doing close-up work. If you're not, I don't know if this is something that you would use. Something far away, oopsie, something far away. Sure, I mean it could still work, whatever. But if you kind of close up on that face and you're doing these cool, intricate shots, I think this is a fantastic one. So nicely done. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Have a lovely day and a good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.